got packed up and left the Mitchell RV park that I was just at, and I am on my way to Totally Kathy's. I'm so excited to meet her. According to my GPS, I should be there about lunchtime, so I'll stop. It's about 2 hours from now, so I will stop and give her a call, let her know that I'm about an hour out. Anyway, it's nice and flat. There's no wind. Well, not nice and flat. I'm going up a hill right now. But there's little to no wind, which yesterday it was so windy, even with the stabilizer jacks down on my TrailManor. It was still rocking the TrailManor around with me in it. It's pretty weird. Felt weird. Anyway, but I spent the day doing my laundry. Oh, that was a bump. Doing the laundry, reorganizing things, going through my RV Parky, Campendium, a couple other things, setting up routes, places I want to stop. I am making a whole bunch of stops and staying 3, 4, up to 7 days at some places. Basically because I'm working my way towards Lollapalooza, and it's not until October, and this is only September 3rd, September 4th, I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this thing off and pay attention to my driving. I will check back in with you later. Bye.
Take the ramp ahead.
I'm not gonna do it. I saw a sign back there that said something about Laura Ingalls, and it was a brown sign, and I'm curious, but I don't see anything. I think I'll go right because there's a sign there. Anyway, I'm curious if Laura Ingalls Museum is out here or just what. So I'm gonna go see. I've got time. Let me see what this sign says. Oh, that sun's bright. Nope. Well, it doesn't say anything. I thought the sign said take the exit 350, which is what I did. But I don't see anything out here. I'm going to try and make a U-turn. I'm so glad this thing turns sharp, and that the trailer turns sharp with it. See? It does good. A while back, when I left the, I'm going to pull over here for a second. When I left the TrailManor plant,
Turn right on I-90.
My GPS told me, let me park here for a second. My GPS told me, you guys are going to laugh, this is a funny story. It wasn't funny at the time, but anyway, my GPS told me to turn right on whatever road I was coming up to. So I did. Well, then, about, a mile up the road, I guess it was, a sign that was hand painted on just an old whiteboard, very faded out, painted with, I believe it was black paint, not that it matters, but anyway, it said road closed ahead. And I thought, well, you know, if it was really closed, there would be some sort of an official sign. And there was a place to turn around there. Yeah. As I came down the road, there was kind of like a little hill that I couldn't see over. And once I got to the top of the hill, I could see that for, I don't know, a good quarter of a mile, the whole road looked like that, right there. See all that water? Yeah. No way to tell how deep it was. No way to tell if it was even a road under it. So on an old country road, gravel, that was maybe wide enough if the two cars went clear to the side to pass each other, I had to turn around with that TrailManor behind me. I did it. I just pulled over as far as I could and swung, as tight as I could, and backed up and went forward, backed up and went forward, backed up, and I finally got turned around. So if you're ever out here and you see a sign that says road closed, I don't care if it's an official sign or something somebody's painted with a toothpick and stuck up with a straw, pay attention to it. Because that probably means that some farmer or somebody that lives out there, they mean what they say. Yeah, that was pretty hairy, but I got turned around anyway. All right, I'm going to text Kathy and let her know that I'm about 2 hours out. Wish I could have found that Laura Ingalls thing. I don't know. Anyway, I will be back later. Bye. Hi. Well, I Googled the Laura Ingalls place, and there's several of them around. I guess every place she lived, they turned into a museum. And I think the closest one, was 4 hours away. So I think what I'll do is I'll go visit Kathy first, and then maybe hit one of those places another day. Not like I don't have time. Anyway, so I'm on my way to Kathy's. Bye, everybody. Hi. I just pulled into Kathy's. Let's get out. Hope I'm parked okay. I was scared to death I was going to hit this vehicle behind me. Because Kathy told me just to park in front of her driveway, which I did. How level am I? I don't know. Should be okay. I'm so excited.